Good morning, student. Today we are going to read the poem, The Ball Poem. The Ball Poem by John Berryman. In this poem, the poet has described the feeling of a boy who has lost his ball. The summary of the poem: the poet is talking about a boy who lost his ball. Now, what he thinks, the poet wants to know about the boy and his reaction because he has lost his ball. The poet wants to know what this boy will do after losing his ball. The poet saw the ball going away from the hand of the boy. Poet says that the ball is cheerfully jumping up and down in the street, and it means that when the ball skipped from the boy's hand, it fell into the river, jumping happily in the streets up and down. The ball went into the river. The poet says there is no use of consoling the boy. When the boy lost his ball, he was very stricken, sad stricken. And poet says that there is no benefit, no use of consoling the boy. He's saying that the boy will get another ball. He has other balls too. He says this because the boy is very sad. All the childhood memory went down into the harbor. Harbor here means the place in the river or the sea where ships are kept. So all the childhood memory of the boy went down with the ball in the river. The poet says that the boy is sad because the ball has gone into the water, which reminds him of those sweet memories of the time when he owned it. The loss is unbearable for the boy. He is very sad now after losing the ball. The poet says that is he cannot tell the boy to take some money from him and buy another ball because the new ball will not bring the loss of possession or the sense of possession to the boy. The attachment with the lost ball was giving a sense of possession, ownership. When someone will give him another ball, that sense of ownership or possession will not be brought to the boy. Right? This is the further the poet says that the time has come for the boy to learn the responsibility of taking care of the things and to feel or to know the how to stand firmly or stand up for the loss, means to bear the loss. The poet says that it is the